What just now happened?
Paul hit her with the pillow. What are you doing?
Are you crying right now?
Y'all came in here and messed up my room. I was in here all day chilling, and y'all come in here. Y'all bring M&Ms. Y'all bring.
You ate an M&M and threatened to eat all of them.
Y'all bring. Oh, they gonna be going.
So Jerry, why you don't want to talk to the boy on Instagram though? What?
She said we not doing.
All right, you done now, Jerry. You're fine. You're fine. Is this the first episode though? Is what I'm trying to figure out.
Little kitty.
Can y'all chill out, please?
Take your glasses off. Take your glasses off.
Did she just throw his glasses? She just threw his glasses.
Can y'all chill out? 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 Are they chilled?
Jesus.
Y'all still ain't chilled.
Did that hurt
Paul,
you?
are you going to the concert on Sunday?
The heck was that?
Paul, you going?
Yes. Did you dig your elbow in my ear?
You made the glasses hit me like really
Is
hard.
this the first episode though?
Stop recording!
You're supposed to say World Star, Ma.
World Star.
We're not doing this.
No, we don't throw it. We don't.
See, Crip Killer Crip. Watch my favorite color drip.
What?
Crip killer!
Crip Killer.
What is happening?
Don't ever post this anywhere.
I'm posting it on YouTube.
Don't post
This is the
it
first
anywhere.
episode
Do
of the.
not post
We gotta
it
come up with a
anywhere.
name for our
Don't-
online
we're
YouTube
gonna
show.
We can do a
Team
vlog. You know people
Turn
do
Up.
What
vlogs.
if we
Like this is
die?
vlog that everyone watches all the time. It's called the Levine Life, and it's just about he just records him and his family. Like that's it. And I just be watching it like our shit would be way more entertaining than this.
See, that's called hating, and we don't hate in
No, I'm
public.
just saying. Like,
We hate when the camera is
My
not
point
rolling.
If we did it,
My
we would
point
be bigger than them.
My point is just that if they could do it, we could do it. That's just my point.
But we hate off camera. Let's remember that.
But we hate what?
Off
Hate
camera.
off camera. We do our hating off camera, is what she said.
Oh, no, I hate on camera and off. And so, no, I don't hate. I'm not a
You
hater.
got a problem?
Hang it up!
Who's this person of the problem? Like, I don't know who you are.
You a stalker.
Kitty.
Who?
Paul, take off my hoodie
You
now.
following people you
I
don't
haven't
know.
even worn it yet.
Stalk.
And I washed it.
Excuse me, I'm not sorry.
Paul, you're gonna get it dirty and stinky and
come
boy
on,
smelling before I even get a chance to wear it. And I washed it.
And
And the fact that I even let you wear it before I wore it
Don't
after I
say,
washed it, that's
on
a
his
big
mouth
deal.
like
Because
liquor.
I was supposed to have worn it first, even before I let you wear
Alright.
it. And I let you wear it.
What?
We're done. Beyonce on his mouth like liquor.
I really believe that that's a name for her. Because why is it on his mouth?
In
Right?
her mouth.
Why is it
Because
on
she's
his
talking
mouth?
about her is what she's saying. I sneezed on
I
the
think it
beat
can
and
go
it got
two
sicker.
ways.
Beyonce all on his
I
mouth
think it's a
like
double
liquor.
entendre.
Yeah.
Double entendre.
One ton.
Alright. You didn't say
Chi
it
fa
right.
chi.
Nigga,
Nigga, God bless you.
Ho! Shut the fuck up!
I got
Way too much of my mental. What left me? I got mental.
Really? Didn't you now?
Yo, I was on Skype. Yo, it was gigging. It was funny.
Oh, yeah.
What, Kitty? She attacked my arm today.
Remember when what's his face attacked me in Muffin's hair?
What?
That one cat we had?
We had a lot.
Really?
Oh.
Have you ever seen that shot in your life? Have you ever seen this shot in your fucking
Right, 'cause
life?
that looks weird.
Oh my
All
god!
right.
Oh
Johnny, just get out. You're done. Go home and get drunk.
Lord,
What?
the strength. Give me the strength. You are messing up my shoes and everything. Get up before I hurt you. Yo, like I'm cringing. Like she messed up everything. Oh, Jay, just move. Jay, just move.
No, I got
Jay,
it.
just move. Jay, just move, please.
with your stuff.
What am I stingy with? What I'm stingy with?
Your SpongeBob head. And I like SpongeBob before anyone.
Alright, well, you shouldn't have made me like him and then we
Y'all
had to
say all on his mouth. Like
I'm telling you, don't say that because she's talking about why you want to be singing about her cooch.
Don't touch the computer. What are you doing? What are you doing? Yo.
Touching the computer.
Friday the 13th.
Me and Paul,
I'm just on Tumblr real quick.
we was good in here without them, right or wrong.
Yeah,
like,
cool.
it was chills. Like, nobody was getting
We asked!
Oh, God. I wasn't getting a
What
migraine.
she say? We asked.
Yeah.
All right.
I wasn't getting a migraine. Now I feel a headache coming along.
We really asked. You really told your whole life story when we asked, right?
Muffin, when you putting these up, I'm expecting that you're gonna put them up.
Probably tonight. Paul, take out the trash. Right now.
I already told him to do
I was
that.
gone for like
Because
5
she
minutes.
thinks she the mother. And I already told him to
I
do
don't
it.
think I would not want parents these kids.
I woke up.
How much you bet your kid's gonna be worse?
My
And
parents
I'm
are
gonna
not
laugh
gonna
in
be
your
worse.
face.
Actually,
Your parents are not going to be
my
worse.
children are not gonna be worse.
Your children are going to be.
Watching them run around like baby kids.
They really are.
Baby kids.
I'll just be giggling.
Excuse
Hey,
me.
baby.
Paul is not going to let his kids
Alright,
hang
don't
out with
touch
your
me.
kids.
This
I'm
was on a
telling
video.
you.
Let me vlog
My
it.
kid's gonna be cool.
Paul is not going to let his
I will
kids
go
hang out
like
with
this.
yours.
My kid's gonna listen to
I said, alright, I said, let me vlog it.
Joy, no! Why do you need to reblog it?
I revlogged it, right?
Get
And
up,
now I'm
get
done.
Up, get up, get up, get up.
I'm going to make it bigger for you. You
Yeah.
know what? No, you don't get to take it.
Get on my bitch. Yo, I was
You made
laying,
me hurt myself.
I was laying
Can y'all
down.
take your glasses off if
I
y'all
was
going
laying
to fight?
down like this stuff like yesterday and my iPhone fell on my lip. Yo, I wanted to kill a cat. It hurt so bad. Like I lay here for like 10 minutes just in pain. It hurt so bad.
Plus, so funny. But she's my cat. Don't do it.
Mob City,
What?
Mob City, bit.
Y'all be having a secret society.
None of the animals like Jay. Jay's just
They
there.
don't have respect
You
for
made me
you.
hurt
I
myself.
don't care, Jay.
It hurt real bad.
Does it?
It's
Mm.
carpet burn.
Oh,
Carpet burn that fast?
Did you see how she tossed me? You just let it happen.
First of all, how do you know about carpet burn? Let's talk about that. Let's call your father.
Mommy, carpet burn.
Jerry said carpet burn. It don't matter. I'm just going to text him and
Mommy.
say, Jerry said she got a carpet burn. And we'll just
Carpet
let it, we'll
Only
just let it go from
carpet
there.
burn that way.
We'll just let it go from there. We won't give any, we won't give any details. It's something wrong with you. We won't give any details. We'll
No,
just,
but I really hurt myself. Like it's burning. I feel like it's on fire.
we'll just say, Jerry said she got a carpet burn. And then we'll let him take it from
I don't
there.
think he would like that.
This is the thing on my screensaver.
That is very extremely, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if you can see that, but that is the gayest. There you go. Look at that. That's her screensaver.
I have Iggy's in.
She's a girl. That's her screensaver. If you didn't know she was gay, now you know.
I'm not gay, and I have Iggy's in.
Yeah, Paul, you said
Who?
You said it was gay.
You have who?
Iggy Azalea.
Something like
Iggy Oodles.
But is she dressed?
Yes.
trash.
Okay. Rihanna's naked on muffins.
She's not naked.
Okay, she's almost naked.
Go get me some ice.
It's funny how Muffin's saying naked and you're saying naked.
Go get me some
What's
ice.
the difference?
You thought
You saying-
I was about to get my ass up and walk in there.
You saying I'm saying
Go
it
get some
wrong?
ice.
I will kill.
Go get me.
I'm not getting you ice. And why was I texting you today? You just wasn't responding. That was
Cause I was
making me real
asleep.
mad.
I was asleep.
Why did you call my phone and didn't say shit, though?
I did.
You said I ain't want nothing. That's what she said.
I said, where's my? I said, you're not my mother. She said she's working.
But then I got on. I called her back.
She said, do you need something? I said, no, bye, because I didn't need.
But then I called her back and said, what do you want? And she said nothing.
I didn't want anything.
So why are you calling me? It's not like I like talking on the phone.
I wanted to know where y'all were. I just didn't know what was going on. Like I just wanted some.
Did you tell her what was going on, Jerry?
No.
Cause she just stopped
I was sleeping in the car.
Sleep though.
That's really ugly.
Wait, what did she just now look like? One of them cows from Pop Tropica.
What? Only you would know.
What was the Pop Tropica?
See, I got M&M's in here, bras, jewelry, socks.
Go get me some ice.
Jerry,
go get me some ice.
I'm not joking.
Go get me some ice.
Lick it. Put it up against a cold. It is freezing cold. Put it up against the cold window.
Ooh.
Yo, it was so cold. It was so cold last night. I opened the porch door. It just was freezing. Like, I've never felt it that cold ever before in my life outside.
Did you have no jacket?
No.
Alright, let's not be dumb now, Muffin.
I said I opened it, didn't I? Did I say I was out there chilling? Did I say I was out there chilling with no jacket on? Jerry? No, I didn't.
Let's not be dumb now, Muffin. This feels nice on my hand. Alright.
All it takes is 3 claps. Wait.
What is that? Y'all clearly messed it up, whatever it was supposed to be.
I have no idea.
Yo, what is it?
This is their thing. This is
All it takes is 3 claps.
What is that?
What? And that was 4 claps.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
It was this guy.
Oh, what takes is 3 claps?
Listen! It was this guy.
That's crazy how it's only 3, but it sounds like more than 3.
Alright, because I'm not talking. It was this guy, he's on the bus, and he's like, all it takes is 3 claps. And he claps, and then everybody's like, hey! It was a whole bunch of black people. So it's basically like, all it takes is 3 good claps to get black people hyped.
Wow.
Did he stage this? He had to stage it.
Mommy, pretty sure he did. Nothing is.
Why are you talking to me with that tone? Pick another tone.
I think a thumbtack fell down my...
Oh my god, Mommy, it was a piece of glass in
Pick
my
another
Ugg today.
tone.
Mommy, ow.
Mommy, it was a piece of glass in my Ugg today. Like
From when you broke the glass the other day?
Yeah, and I was walking.
This was just
I was walking to the car this morning. That's
What is
there's
it?
a hole in it.
What is it?
I think it came, a thumbtack. I think it came from the wall.
Oh, from Justin?
Kitty, shut up. You want me out about everything?
She said yes.
Like, she real irky right now. Stop hitting her.
And she turned around and popped them lips.
I remember when one of the cats had their claws like right there. I was like,
What?
What just happened?
I have that picture in my head. I was like, Johnny's about to...
What happened?
We lived around Blue Fountain, I think, and it was...
no, it was, yeah, it was Blue Fountain.
We had like a lot of cats.
It was a black one. And it has claws like right there.
His claw, like,
and it was just
right
hanging.
there.
I was like,
Like your skin?
yes!
I was so confused. I think she's about to die.
That was the worst.
I don't know where y'all were. I don't know why y'all don't.
All
Remember
right.
when Shortcake it was this roach on the wall and she was like
Yes, that was so disgusting.
what are you doing?
What
Stop touching me! Alright.
Where's that playing from?
Her phone. Her
Where
butt
is her
ball.
phone?
It's
In my butt.
It's in her butt.
Yo, you be so, like, his aim with pillows is so spectacular.
Ow!
Ooh, I just said,
Okay, now comes the freaky skank wholeness.
Move!
Come here, kitty.
I'm gonna make it dance to this though, for real.
For who?
For
Why would
nobody,
you do
for
that?
me.
Why would you do
But
that?
this song
Ivani?
is not even about sex. Like, this is not even a sex song.
It's a love song.
It's a love song. Do you ever listen to the lyrics? They say nothing
No, I
about
don't.
sex.
I assume it's Chris Brown going ooh ooh.
I know,
ah, and
I
think
know.
it's
It
about
just
sex.
sounds like a sex song, but it's not.
Yo, you know I. But yet, you're all singing it.
But I won't stop. I don't know. That's the only part I know.
Right?
They still together?
Who's still together? That's what I asked yesterday. Anybody watching this video, comment and tell us if Chris Brown and Rihanna are still
Please
together.
no. Please
It
no.
is December
putting it on
13th.
Doesn't YouTube
It is
have a
December
timer?
13th. Not on my page. Holla! It is December
No, I want
13th,
people to see us.
2013.
You
We
guys
have to
I'm
think.
like
We have to
people.
think of the name of our family.
Turn up team.
Nobody is watching this. Even
Team
if they are, they're gonna
swag
call us
me out,
ratchet.
bitch.
No, that's not gonna be the name.
Alright, you look stupid.
Okay, you just gonna stop singing?
It's not like she can sing. Let's not give
But
up
she
on
was
some-
lip
I was
singing.
singing so
Lip
good in the
syncing.
car.
Don't
She
lie.
was not.
Anybody
That's
in
why I came in the house and locked her out of the house because she was really driving me
You wanna hear
crazy.
it?
No, we
No,
don't.
I was smothering you.
People who need people are the luckiest people in the world. Oh my god. That's my song. We are the
I was last time you
luckiest
talked to that nigga X.
people.
What?
So it was last time you talked to that nigga X.
Who?
Oh,
Eddie?
Eddie.
The day I broke
Oh.
his heart.
Yeah, she crushed that nigga in a million
My
pieces.
nigga, this is gonna be public. Like, we don't need to go there. You
Oh.
feel me?
Oh, alright
You
then.
feel me?
If this was a real reality show, this conversation would happen because you would have signed a contract.
That song is
So
depressing.
talk, ho.
No, like, that's it. That's the last thing I said.
Anytime I'm depressed, I listen to that song.
And I had texted him like later that day, like, what you doing? He didn't respond till 3 days later, like, shit.
Wow.
I said, did he think I was gonna respond to that?
He banging your SpongeBob.
Huh?
Why are you doing that?
Shoot me. He was smiling, Muffin. Still
Stop!
Muffin, it's not hurting him.
But that's not the point. Like, that's not SpongeBob. Like,
This is SpongeBob.
Daddy gave that to me. What's wrong
Did
with
he?
you?
Did he?
Daddy
now?
gave me the Dora.
I remember that day, and it,
I think it's the one.
oh!
He wanted to get
Why do you
away.
have my smiley face balloon?
And it ended up in here. Do you think I
Pop,
want that
pass me
shit?
that.
No, you don't need it.
I don't want that.
Pop, pass it to me.
Say please.
Please.
No.